Hey guys, it's Angie. So I just got home from the Goodwill bins where I did a little shopping this morning like I do most Wednesdays. I picked up a few items and I wanted to share those with you and let you know what I picked up, what I expect to get for those items, and how much I spent. Before I get to that, I do have a couple shout outs that I need to do. Some people who have sent me some things. They are long overdue, so I just wanted to get those out there while I am thinking about it. So the first one I want to talk about is Paul from Value Resellers YouTube channel. Paul had a giveaway on his channel. He was giving away a Spider-Man clock. Well, I won the Spider-Man clock, so I was super excited. But he said, Angie, you may not like Spider-Man, so give me an idea and I'll make you a custom clock. So I gave him a few ideas, and one of the ones I said was, I have a long-haired dachshund, so a clock that has a dachshund would be super cute. I got the package last month and he wrote me a little note that said, thank you, Angie. Thanks for the support on YouTube and thanks for watching. Inside you will find a wall clock I did for you. I also included a fish necklace that has a little ball inside to put healing oils or perfume. I also included one mother and daughter forever bracelet and one I love you to the moon and back bracelet. Hope you enjoyed the stuff. Happy holidays, Paul, YouTube Value Resellers. So nice. And look how cute the clock is. Isn't this the cutest thing? I love this. Paul, thank you. It is perfect. And he also sent me, this is a super cute fish necklace you can see in there. And this is the mother-daughter bracelet. And this is the third bracelet. That was so nice. Thank you so much, Paul. I really appreciate it. Okay, and then the next person I wanted to give a shout out to was Travis at Bartermania. He sent me a cute Christmas card. He had these custom Christmas ornaments made. And it says, cheers from Travis. This will definitely go on my tree next year, Travis. I'm gonna put it away with my decorations. And thank you so much, I love it. And then finally, Faith from Mini Mimi Thrifter had a giveaway on her channel, and I couldn't believe it. She let me know that I won that, and she sent a bunch of interesting things from other resellers, which I was so excited about. First is an old school Flips t-shirt, which is gonna fit me great. That's Jimmy's channel. She sent this super cute little change purse. And then she has her own little cards in there, but also Show Me Picker sticker, Nevermore Antiques, Art Vandalay, which is now I think Dan in demand, but I had one of these from originally, and the Nurse Flipper. So that was super nice. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. If you're interested in seeing their channels, I'm going to link them all below, so go check them out. Okay, so let's get right on to what I picked up at the thrift store today. Okay, so today I spent $35.86. So what I like to do is figure out an average cost of the items that I picked up. Now, 3 items were priced individually at $5 a piece. And then I had 32 other items, which rounds out to about 62 cents an item. Not bad. So let's take a look and see what I picked up. The first item I picked up was this willow tree. Super nice pregnancy. You can see she got the big baby belly. And this one was called Home. There were 2 other ones, but both of them had been glued back on. The poor guy's head was decapitated in both of them, and they glued them back on. So I left those there, but this one will sell for around $25, even pre-owned without a box. The next item is this cute Target dog snow globe. I think his name is Bullseye. He's the mascot, and he sells for about $25. He's from 2008. The next item I bought is not going to be resold, but it is a brand new doggy toy. So I will let you know how Ollie likes his new toy. I think Ollie might like his new ball. What do you think, Ollie? You ready? Did you get it? Where are you going? Drop it. Let me have it. Give it to me. Where are you going? Oh, thank you. Let's try it again. Ready? Go. Oops. Okay, I think he likes it. This right here is a Paul Mitchell hair cutting. It's 3-piece DVD. Anytime I find like step-by-step how-to DVDs, I always look those up because they seem to do pretty well. So I paid 62 cents for the whole lot, and it looks like it's selling for about $15. Next two items I got were these Brita Filters. They actually came in a bigger combo pack, but I opened them up. I didn't want to pay for that outside bigger box, so I opened them up. This one is brand new and complete, and this one is 4 of the 5 in here. Now I'll still be able to sell them even though there's only 4 because they are still sealed. When you open the box, they're sealed. So don't pass them up just because you see the boxes open. As long as the packages are sealed, you're good to go. Now the box of 5 will probably sell for around 15, and this one's probably gonna end up selling for about 13 since there's only 4 in there, but not bad profit. I rarely find Scentsy at the GOODWILL bins, especially new in the box. This one happened to be new in the box. It's called Share Your Heart. It's one of those warmers that you plug in, and with it being new open box, I expect to get anywhere from $15 to $20. Now remember guys, all my prices are plus shipping. I charge shipping on pretty much everything. I'll run through these quick. They're not big money makers, but anywhere from $10 to $15 a piece. This is Love Comes Softly. I never heard of it, but again, it's a little series. It's something that I didn't recognize, so I always try to look that up. And a Zumba for Wii does pretty well. It's probably only about $10, but still, I paid very, very little for this, and it is so easy to list this. This will take less than a minute to list, so why not pick it up and make 10 bucks? I did find Hellboy, and it is new and sealed, so it sells a little higher. I wouldn't have picked this up if it wasn't sealed, but since it was, I'm going to go ahead and sell it for about 12 bucks. I did find a Game Boy Advance Super Collapse 2, and then the last one was Wii U Nintendo Land. If you ever go to the bins, guys, make sure you open your case up. Today there were probably 200 games in the bins, and none of them had games in them. They were all just empty cases, not great ones that I could resell, but I was really disappointed that they were all gone. So just double check that when you go to the bins. Bras. I know some people are like, oh, use bras. Guys, bras are super expensive, so don't sleep on them if you see them, especially if you find Victoria's Secret. Kashik is one of my favorite brands. Whoa, blurry. Kashik is one of my favorite brands to sell. It's a Lane Bryant brand. The bigger sizes sell incredibly well. And then this one is a Catherine's, and I'm not sure if Catherine's is still in business, but they are a plus size store, and so when I saw a Catherine's bra, I picked that up. I did find this. It is a Needlepoint Dog Stocking. I know it's after Christmas, guys, but I looked this one up, and one just like it sold for $35 used. People love their dogs. I love my dachshund. I used to have a black lab named Sam when I was growing up. Kind of reminds me of him a little bit, but people will buy things that look like their dogs. So just sold one of these for $35. That's why I picked it up. The only piece of clothing that I bought today, it was pretty slim pickings with the clothing, was this little jacket. It's a little Talbots, but I liked the quilting on top, and then it's fleece. It has the little elbow patches. I thought it was in really nice shape. The next things that I picked up, someone actually handed to me. They're like, Angie, you want to mess with these? So they are just some little ornaments. We have Sorcerer Mickey, cute little Pluto, he's a little angel, a Tigger, and I guess he is, how is he, oh, I guess like this, he's also an angel. I guess that's cute. And then Goofy, also a little angel. I just thought they were super cute. Not something I would normally pick up because there's no boxes or anything, but someone gave them to me and I was like, I'll take a chance with them. I think they'll do pretty well, but they may sit for a little bit because it's January. Now, I used to only sell Department 56 buildings if they became available, but I started paying attention to other ones like these. This is a Limax, I think is what it's called. It's called Coventry Cove Collection, and it is a lighthouse that actually lights up. I just thought it was really, really neat. They had several, but some of them had some super glue pieces that I really try to stay away from, but this looked amazing. I looked it up and one recently sold for $45, so I was super happy to get that. Here's one of the items that they priced individually for me. You can see right there, it says $5 on it, but what this is 2 screens of an Insignia Dvd Players. So they're for the car. You can also put them on a desk. See, they sit up like this, but they open right here on the top. Now normally Insignia is kind of just a generic store brand, but I did look these up and they still are selling for about $45. So for $5 to turn it into $45, I'll do that all day long. And you can see fits perfectly in there, so if you're traveling or anything, it would be really great for somebody. Heck, even if you're camping and you have electrical, your kids could still watch DVDs. This right here is the funniest thing that I got today. I would never expect to get these in Florida, but this is surprisingly the second set that I've picked up. Let's see what we have here. They are snowshoes. You can see right here, red feather, now go anywhere. They even come with the 2 poles that extend, so you're ready to go. Whenever global warming hits here in Florida, someone will be ready to go in the snow. Until then, I'm going to go ahead and put these on eBay. The next 2 items I thought were just too cute. They are new from Avon. Sometimes I like to pick up Avon things just because Avon can have a following. This is kind of cute though. It's just a little tray and it is a tropical leaf tray. This is more like a metal with like a plastic rope going woven into it. And then to go with that, oh, and they call it the tropical serving tray. To go with that are these adorable little tumbler glasses. And they're in different colors. There's a set of 4. Look how cute. So I'm hoping somebody will want that. The tray is listed on eBay right now for $15 by itself used. These are both brand new, and I think if I sell them as a set, they'll probably do much better. Now my winner of the day is this quilt cut fabric cutting system. You can see they quoted me a price of $5. And it's big, guys. It's kind of big and it's a little heavy, but I think it will do just fine. Let me see if I can. Basically, it's just a cutting board for people who do quilts. Now, if you know me at all, you know I'm not a crafter in the least, but I can recognize value. And when I saw that, I thought someone is going to really want that. Looked it up. It should sell rather quickly for $80 on eBay. And the final items that I picked up really are out of my element. Something I know nothing about, but sometimes when the price is so cheap, I hate to just let something go to a landfill. And I know that once it left this table, it was going to the dumpster. But what they are all different kinds of vintage dolls, but they're not like creepy dolls, you know what I'm saying? This one, I don't know if he's Dutch but look, he has a little price on him that says 84. I'm sure it probably does not mean dollars, but this cute little Dutch doll. There's this older Spanish doll. Okay, a little creepy. A little creepy. This one I loved. These ones are wooden, and this one sold for $10 on eBay recently. Haven't looked up that one. There's this little doll, another little Holland doll, and then I had 2 of these little dolls. Okay, what is wrong with me? I bought weird dolls. I did it. I'm sorry. But I couldn't leave them to go to the dumpster. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why I bought them. They're probably worth nothing, and I'll be like giving them back to Goodwill. I just couldn't let them go. I don't know why. You see something sometimes and you think, oh, you have to save that. That's kind of how I felt. And now I seem silly because I'm pulling it out of this bag and I'm like, Angie, you would laugh at people if they had bought those. But it is what it is. I bought them. If you love dolls, let me know because I can give you a great deal on those dolls. Alright, that's it today, guys. Like I said, I bought 35 items, spent about $35.82 all total. And now I gotta get busy and start listing these items so that I can go thrifting again on Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to have a what sold video. I hope you will stop by. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe below. Turn that red button to gray. If you want to know when a new video is coming out, just make sure you hit the bell notification and leave a comment of what you thought about my purchases today. Alright guys, have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye!